Right, I just wanted to record this quick video to demonstrate some new functionality available in the Sprint173B Beta release, which is going out in September 2024. So if you go to the Claritas launcher after you've installed that beta release, the Seismic Data tab, and you'll see there's a new button on the top right hand side called SeisViewer Beta. If we click on that, it will open up a file selection widget. We can select some files, click open, and that brings up the new viewer that we're building at the moment. So this viewer is using PyQt widgets to display the seismic data and interact with it. So to keep familiarity with the old viewer, which the view Seismic Viewer if you like, we've kept the panel display option down the bottom, so you can still toggle between different panels as you've previously been able to do. But now if you toggle between, say, panels 2 and 3 on this display and then click on the split button, you can see it brings up an overlay display which allows you to slide back and forwards between two displays. So that's a new functionality and new capability that could be useful and interesting to people. If you want to change the color map, again we have that capability there, so you can basically right mouse button click, it will bring up the list of different color maps, and then you can select the color map you'd want to change to. Again, we can swap between variable density, variable area wiggle, a variable area or wiggle display if that's what you want to do. And we have all the same processing capabilities as in the view seismic application. So we can apply AGCs, butterfilts, and anything from the balance, debias, FD filter, NMO, phase shift, and static, for instance, are available. I think that's it. Obviously we'll begin to layer in further capability, including the analysis tools and other functionality that exists in the current view seismic application, but if you want to take a look at this and have a play around with it, it'd be useful. If you could provide feedback as well as to what you like about it, if you find any problems or anything that's not working particularly well, we'd appreciate that feedback. Thank you very much.